Hey everyone. Scarce. Purr. And this is my best friend Wills. Yellow. Roof roof. Hi Skies and Wilso. I'm Patty. Growl. And I'm Amanda. Pop pop. My name is Bella. Purr. And I want you to meet two of my other friends. I'm Joseph. Raf. And meet Patty's brother Gratil. Hi. Crow crow. Also, it's nice to meet you Skies and Wilso. It's Nick at home at you as with Patty, Amanda, Bella, Joseph, and Gratil. You agree with Skies, roof roof. Skies and Wilso, welcome to the Pet Global Club, Raff Raff. So, would you at like talk play with me? Yes, we would like to, Crow. Okay, let's go.